Hi, this is Laura. Just a quick video for you this week. We're starting week 9. Wanted to remind you of the upcoming assignments. And so you will have your, actually I'll go back just a little bit here and look at week 8. As of November 21st, you will have your code of ethics that you're to share with your peers in the class to get their feedback. So that's due November 21st. And then we have our 3 presentations this coming week that are due: morality and religion, natural law, and virtue ethics. Please be sure that after they are posted, you have a week to watch them and make comments. And then one thing I wanted to remind you is that in week 8, you also have the November 21st, you have your reflection that is the summary of your Module 3 work. And then going into week 9, please know that you have this practitioner reflection that you're asked to do, and it is to have you think about ethics and your ethics over the course of this week. So please start on that early. All you need to be doing is thinking and taking notes. You don't actually need to come back and make your post until later in the week. The intent is for you to think about your code of ethics. This is also to help you kind of come up with your final code of ethics. But as you're going to be maybe with friends or family or out shopping or doing any number of activities during the holiday week here coming up, that you consider your ethics and the ethics of others and journal about it, and then come back and make a post. And so we have that going on. And then just a quick reminder, week 10, which is the final course wrap up, is coming up. And so you'll have your final code of ethics, and you will also have a post that you can share that final code if you choose to, but also just make a goodbye post. And in our last few weeks, we are really wrapping up the last of our ethics theories, having you think about your ethical codes of conduct that you want to espouse going forward, and then sharing with one another anything that you would like to share as we wrap up, or share with me. And then one other thing that you'll see in the announcement this week is I have included a podcast that I listened to that was about the downfall of crypto, this a crypto company, and a particular gentleman that was the head of it, and the idea of what's called earning to give, which is a philosophical strategy for earning money to essentially be philanthropic and give it away. But you'll see if you listen to that in the announcement that that you will find, I think, that this idea of what the gentleman did and what happened to his crypto company, and you may have heard about it in the news, is quite in line with what we're studying about ethics and morals and how to essentially live a good life. And I think the intent initially was good, and this person did give away money to a lot of organizations that needed it. But in the end, I'd be curious what your thinking is about how this person changed their thinking, or how their behavior changed as they earned money, and the choices they ultimately made. And so keep in mind too that in each of module 4 and 5, there are these student community forums that I've created for you to share any comments or any cool things you're listening to. But as you're going to be journaling and thinking about ethics, I find often that when I'm listening to news stories or doing my podcast listening that I like to do, many of these topics are resonating with me as well. So I wish you well, and I hope you have a great holiday and find some time for yourselves and your families. Thank you. Bye.